Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about the architecture of Tableau. To create a visualization, we need some customers data or any kind of data. Now, this data might come from a variety of sources like data warehouse, data mart, files, and cubes. Let's take a look at them in brief. So, if we talk about data warehouse, a data warehouse is a large repository of data that is collected from multiple sources within an organization. It is used to store the historical data that can be used for analysis and reporting. Data marts is a subset of data warehouse that is focused on a specific area of business such as sales or marketing. It is typically smaller and less complex than a data warehouse, and it is easier to access and use. Files are the individual pieces of data that are stored in variety of formats such as CSV, JSON, and XML. They can be used to store the customer data, but they are not as organized or structured as the data warehouse or data. If we talk about cubes, a cube is a multidimensional data structure that is used to store and analyze large amount of. It is often used in conjunction with the data warehouse and data marts to improve the performance and scalability. In the next lab, we can see that there are some data connectors. Data connectors are software components that allow Tableau to connect to different data sources. There are data connectors available for a wide range of data sources, including database, flat files, and cloud-based data warehouses. Fast Data Engine is a high-performance data engine that is designed for real-time analytics. It can be used to connect to live data sources such as streaming data and social media data. If we talk about the SQL connector, the SQL connector is a data connector that allows Tableau to connect to SQL databases. It is a very versatile connector that can use to connect to a wide variety of SQL databases, including Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. MDX connector is a data connector that allows Tableau to connect to Microsoft Analysis Service, and MDX is a query language that is specifically designed for SAS queue. If we talk about repository is a central store for Tableau's metadata such as workbooks, data sources, and visualization. It is used to store and manage Tableau's configuration settings and user permission. In the next lab, we have the main components of Tableau architecture: data server, VizQL server, and application server. The data server is responsible for storing and managing Tableau's data sources. It can be configured to run on premises or in the cloud. The data server uses a variety of data connectors to access the data from different sources such as databases, flat files, and cloud-based data warehouse. The data server also manages the permissions for the users to access the data source. If we talk about the VizQL server is responsible for rendering Tableau's visualization. It takes the output of the data engine and renders it in a web browser. The VizQL server is a highly scalable component that can be configured to run on one or more nodes. This allows you to scale the VizQL server to meet the needs of your organization, even if you have a large number of users who are simultaneously using the tab. Then we have the application server. The application server is responsible for managing user sessions and authentication. It also provides a web-based interface for users to interact with Tab. The application server is a critical component of Tableau's architecture because it is responsible for ensuring that only authorized users can access Tab. The application server also manages the security for Tableau's workbook and visualization. In the next lab, we have Gateway. The gateway is a component of Tableau architecture that is responsible for load balancing and security. It sits between the client and the application server and ensures that the requests are routed to the correct server. The gateway can also be used to improve the security of Tableau by authenticating users and filtering the traffic. The gateway load balancer is a component of Tableau architecture that is responsible for various other things also. The first one is improved performance. The gateway load balancer can distribute requests to multiple application servers, which can improve the performance. This is very important for organizations with a large number of users or high volume requests. The second one is the increased reliability. The gateway load balancer can help to improve the reliability of Tableau by distributing requests from across multiple servers. If one server becomes unavailable, the gateway or load balancer will route the request to the other servers. And the last one is the enhanced security, which you can see that it can try to authenticate users and filter the traffic. This can help to protect the Tableau from unauthorized access and malicious acts. The last one in the slab is the architecture client. The client in Tableau's architecture are the components that user interacts with to create and view the visualization. There are three types of clients: desktop, mobile, and browser. Tableau Desktop is a software application that is installed on a user's computer. It is used to create and edit visualization and to publish them to the Tableau server or Tableau online. Tableau Desktop is a powerful tool that allows the user to create complex and interactive visualization. It is also a great way to learn Tableau as it provides a graphical user interface that makes it easy to understand the concept of data visualization. If we talk about the mobile, Tableau Mobile is a mobile app that allows user to view the visualizations on their smartphones and tab. It is a great way to share the visualization colleagues and clients on the Tableau mobile is a great way to view visualizations everywhere, anytime. If we talk about the browser, Tableau Online and Tableau Server can be accessed through a web browser also. This makes it possible to view the visualizations from any device with an internet connection. And if you are not able to grasp everything, don't worry. Everything will make sense after getting a little hands-on in the tab. This was all for this session. We'll be meeting in the next session where we'll be talking about the live versus the extract connection.